Hello and welcome to the Product Discovery series. My name is Cole Nebeker, and in this video we will be exploring the new Red Reader V2. Let's take a look. The Red Readers V2 are ProdataKey's latest high-security readers. They come in four form factors: mullion, mullion with keypad, single gang, and single gang with keypad. Each of these classes have prox, high security, and Bluetooth credential capabilities. Each Red Reader V2 comes capable of outputting either Wiegand or OSDP signals, though of course it is always recommended to use OSDP where possible to maximize the capabilities and future-proofing of these devices. Due to the two-way communication capabilities of the OSDP standard, these readers can receive remote firmware updates directly to each reader for ultimate convenience and future-proofing. Additionally, OSDP allows the reader to self-report its serial number in its communications with PDK controllers, making it easy to automatically discover the reader within the configuration page. This further reduces the amount of time necessary to configure each of these devices. The most prominent capability of these readers is the Bluetooth and smart card credential compatibility that allows you to take the security of your system to the next level. Encrypted smart card credentials are offered with PDK's proprietary Red credentials, while Bluetooth credentials are available through the PDK Access app. Bluetooth credentials cannot be duplicated and are simple to issue and revoke without the need to physically distribute or retrieve used credentials. These credentials allow a user to present their phone to a reader in order to gain access through an entryway. So, when you're looking for a high security device that allows you to install with ease, look no further than the Red Readers V2 by PDK.